Hi everybody, my name is Kenton DeYoung. This is Kenton DeYoung Travel, and today we're doing something. Oh, we kind of always do this. It's not that different than usual. Today we're doing an unboxing video. The only really, I guess, the unusual part about this unboxing video is that the box has already been opened. So a little bit of backstory, flashback. 5 months ago, it's December 2020. I'm on Facebook and I see some individual in a group I'm in says how much they would love to get a box of Japanese candy from one of those companies that we've reviewed a couple times now, Japan Crate or Tokyo Treats or stuff like that. And he said how much he'd love to get one of those in the mail, but because he lived in Poland, it was too expensive to buy. I thought, well, not that bad for us here in Canada, right? It's a different world. So hey, yeah, I'll send you a box, right? So I typed it all out and I sent him a box. And they said, how thankful they were, but they couldn't give me anything back in return. So saying you don't give me anything, like it's $30, like it's fine, right? Like just enjoy candy when you get it. But they insisted, can we send you some chocolates or some sweets or a handmade toy? And I thought, sure, yeah. So they made a plush toy, and I'll put a picture of it on the video. We took it out of the box a couple of months ago. But I said to them that I would wait until April when they're supposed to get the box of candy from Tokyo for me to show the candy that they sent me. They were supposed to get it in January, but it got lost or something, and then didn't get there in February, didn't get there in March, and it's April now. So I've had this box of candy sitting in my apartment for a couple months, and I want to eat it. I want to eat it. So we're doing this now. They have yet to get their box. So I might have to send them another one. I don't know what's going on. They told me that the posting situation in Poland is kind of a mess right now, but I got this box fine. One of the postcards I talked about in my last video is going to Poland. I'm sure they'll get it fine, so who knows? Who knows? We're going to show everyone what's inside, and we're going to try some candy. There's a letter first. Little happy face on it. Hello there. I really want to thank you so much one more time. I hope that you'll enjoy these Polish sweets and little handmade thing. I want to wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Andy. Thank you, Andy. And I'm really sorry you haven't gotten your box yet. I don't know where it is. I've talked to support a couple times. I've emailed them several times. Apparently, you should either get it by the 5th of April or the 12th of April, which is still 4 months after we bought it. So I'm really hoping you get it soon. And thank you so much for this box of chocolates. Here is some Polish stickers. Are they straight way up? I think maybe it's one like that. You can see there's a little rooster here and a lot of little flowers. It's very, very Eastery. And today is Good Friday, so that's appropriate. And I already put up a picture of the stuffed toy. The rest in here is food. The rest of here is the good stuff. Well, it's all good, but this is the edible stuff, right? So we'll start with this. It is wiping, wow. Waipai Carnea. Waipai Carina. Carnia. Waipai Carnia. I don't know if that's right, but it's Palchi, and it's original. That's similar enough. I know what that word is. I'm thinking these are like breadsticks with sesame seeds on top, and they kind of tell you what it is there, but I don't speak Polish, so I'm also guessing this says cut. Oh, shit. Whole bunch of stuff just sprayed out. A lot of like sesame seed stuff. Oh, these are much smaller than I thought they were. There's little tiny breadsticks. These little, I'll describe it. They're little tiny breadsticks with sesame seeds and maybe poppy seeds on top. Kind of crunchy on the outside, but they're just like harder bread on the inside. They're quite good. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna show you the inside. Well, see, just better than the inside. Very good. Better than some of the shit we've had. This is a Gretzky Taiko. I like the little dude. Little black chocolate man with his white limbs and his white face. I'm gonna go on a limb here, and oh, it's not. I thought it was gonna be marshmallow inside, but you see it looks like on the inside right there, and it's definitely not marshmallow. Anyway, we'll open it up, see what it is. Gretzky Taiko. Oh, they're small, kind of like chocolate covered raisins or chocolate covered almonds. I thought they were gonna be bigger. I think they're like 60% chocolate. Mini wafer. That's about all I can get out of that. Mini wafer. Have wafers inside. Those 60% chocolate. You can tell it has that really rich chocolate taste to it. You don't get that in a lot of like North American chocolates, but Asian or European has a really rich chocolate. That is good stuff. Okay, what's this one? I think it's just mints. Meatao? Minty. But it's mints. That's alright, we'll open it up. You think after like my 6th unboxing video, I know to bring my scissors with me all the time. Oh. Yeah, there's little green mints. Nothing too unexpected. Hard green mints. Yeah, we have similar stuff here in North America. No, not supposed to chew it, but I'm gonna the next stuff. This one is Galapana original. Hair on there. Milkzana. I'm gonna go with that. It means milk chocolate. And for those who are visually impaired, it comes in a pink packaging with 2 big chocolate squares on it with a G carved into them. No, I just made a comment about how I didn't have my scissors. Wow. Oh no. There we go. Wow. Maybe it melted a bit in the box? Look at the chocolate. The other side too, but just that part. I'm thinking maybe it melted and then it like... Yeah, it's all ripply. I guess it just melted. Maybe in transit or something. Or expired. We'll find out. If I got to check, we'll know. It almost has like a strawberry taste to it. Not what I expected at all. There's no strawberry on it unless Malatoa means strawberry. That's good. Hope I don't get sick from this. There's no chocolate. This one is E. Waddell. Malekzana Malatoa. All right. Malanoa. Sorry. Again, this one is milk chocolate with raspberry. That one's really good. This one's really good. I don't know why it tasted like that. Maybe like the unmelted parts don't quite taste like that. Shouldn't need scissors to open up a chocolate bar. The packaging on this is actually very, very high quality. Usually, like, it's tin foil, but there. This one got all melted too. Could have been my bad. It's a chocolate. The other side kind of has these pits in it. I think that's intentional, but I do think it melted a bit. Oh yeah, it's falling apart. So you can see, oh yeah, it's falling apart on me. Inside is the strawberry raspberry filling. Oh wow. Very messy, but very good. I actually think that's my favorite one. Too bad about the mess. It's very good. I think this is the last one. Yeah. Not very much. It's Silwaka Nella's Skoska. Let me know in the comments if I said that right. It's in a blue box with a green polka dots on the side and a green and gold ribbon on the side as well. And it appears to be blueberry or fig. I don't know. I don't know. These kind of remind me of things we had last couple years ago. We did an article about having mosaic at home. And these look better because those other ones we had were gross. Okay, it's like a heart. Okay, I'll talk about the wrapper first. The wrapper is white with thin plastic, white and blue with green stripes, and the fruit in the middle. I think it's figs now that I look at it closer. And the chocolate itself is like a chocolate ball with a flat underside, smooth on the outside. Let's see what it is on the inside. I think it's a fig. No, it's definitely not a blueberry. I think it's a fig. Very chewy. Now that box was smaller than the usual ones, but I actually like that box a lot. There was everything in that box was good. And there's been times we've got unboxing boxes and inside was just not good stuff. Not good at all. This stuff, every single thing was good. The breadsticks were good. The little cubes were good. The mints, they were good. The mysterious strawberry chocolate's good that melted, and the very melted raspberry chocolate's good, and these are good. Everything was good in this box, including the stuffed thing that Andy made me. So thank you again, Andy, for sending me these box of chocolates from Poland. I really hope you get your box of sweets from Japan soon. It was great to try this. It was great to experience part of your culture. And I really appreciate everyone who watched the videos and who tuned in for this one. I know it's a lot shorter than the last one we had. But it was, I thought it was a nice change. So thank you everyone for tuning in. Thank you, Andy, for sending the chocolates. And my name is Kennedy Young. This is Kennedy Young Travel. And I'll see you next time. Which I won't tell you, spoiler. It's going to be right here again. But I'll see you next time, wherever that is. Bye, guys.